PUTTISU Safe Baby Mild Sun Cushion 15 grams for sensitive by PUTTISU is one of the best sellers among baby sun protection products. Lightly and easily pounding pang like tabbing without spreading it by hand for anyone. 100% physical sunscreen cushion for sensitive skin that reflects the sunlight. It finishes softly without stiffness. It uses EWG green level ingredient that work comfortably and mild on the skin. Low irritation. The Safe Baby Mild Sun Cushion for children that is easy and fun to pound on without having to apply by hand. Natural ingredients give less irritation and refreshing fragrance. It is a sunscreen cushion with mild formula of EWG green level for entire family to use, from baby to adult. How to use. Press sponge with puff included inside and dispense an appropriate amount of the contents on the puff. After doing so, spread evenly on the skin exposed to sunlight by pounding. Capacity: 15 grams.